Hey everyone, it's Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a trick a master mechanic named Eddie showed me from a Lexus dealership. It's really helpful for when you're swapping your battery in a newer vehicle that has settings that are saved, pretty much like the windows, the seats, the radio settings. Instead of having to go through and reset all of them whenever you change your battery, this is the trick. You keep your car running, you pull the battery with your car running, and then you can put a new one in it. So right now I have my car running, and I'm going to pull the battery and show you how it's done. The one thing you want to watch out for is you do not want the positive terminal to ground out. That's the one thing you don't want to do. Putting positive so it doesn't ground out. Move this over, pull the battery, the car's still running. New battery. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching, guys.